Dad of the Road LLC is a mobile tire shop. A mobile tire shop, also known as a mobile tire service or mobile tire repair service, Dad of the Road LLC, is a business that brings tire-related services directly to the customer's location rather than requiring the customer to go to a physical tire shop. The primary goal of a mobile tire shop is to provide convenience by offering on-the-spot tire services at a location chosen by the customer. Here's an overview of how Dad of the Road LLC mobile tire shop typically operates. Customers typically schedule appointments with the mobile tire shop for a specific date and time. They provide information about the location where the service is needed. Dad of the Road LLC also offers mobile emergency assistance services, providing help with flat tires or other tire problems, especially in situations where customers are stranded on the side of the road. Our goal is to solve any problem with any tire. Overall, Dad of the Roads LLC is a mobile tire store and a convenient solution for people who may not have time to visit a traditional tire store or for those who experience unexpected tire problems and need assistance on the spot. It is a service designed to make tire maintenance and repair more accessible and hassle-free. Dad of the Roads LLC mobile service vehicles are mobile tire shops and operate service vehicles equipped with the necessary tools and equipment and tire inventory. These vehicles are equipped to perform various tire-related services on site. For any type of car, truck, industrial, commercial tires, Dad of the Roads LLC offers the following services. 1. Tire repair. Mobile tire shops can address common issues such as flat tires or punctures by repairing them on site. 2. Tire replacement. If a tire is damaged beyond repair or needs to be replaced, the mobile service can often provide new tires from their inventory. Change spare tire 3. Remove wheel nut or wheel nut key 4. Any problem related to tires or wheel nut. Cost of mobile tire services. The cost of mobile tire repair services can vary based on several factors, including the service provider, your location, the type of tire service needed, and the time of day. Here are some factors that can influence the pricing. 1 type of service. 2 location. 3 time of day. 4 type of tire, vehicle type. 5 service provider. 6 emergency services. How much would it cost to repair? Price start at $95 with Dad of the Roads LLC. How much would it cost to change tire? Price start at $150 plus tire with Dad of the Roads LLC. To your home service or anywhere you need help with your tire, we are the mobile tire shop that comes to you.